So what happened on the call with Barbara and the immigration lawyer? Holy cow, what the heck's going on? There's so much going on right now.
We got to fly there in a few weeks.
I'm Vince Monte, and my vision is to coach 275 fitness professionals in 90 days to stop wasting their time on personal training clients in the gym and build a profitable online fitness business so they have more freedom and impact. This is my day. Let's go.
You gotta be kidding me. Who's up now? Okay, what's wrong? It's okay. It's okay, come here. The kids are supposed to sleep. You woke everybody up. You're a stinker, you know that? You're a little stinker. Why can't you just sleep?
You don't care about my plans? No? No? Because you're a baby. Babies don't care about mommy and daddy's plans.
Oh, and who's this? You're up now too? This is your brother.
Dad, today's a PA day.
So why didn't you sleep? This is a perfect day to sleep in. All right, well, guess what? Daddy's got to get a workout in because mommy has to work at 8 o'clock. 5 rounds. We're going to be doing push-ups, pull-ups, hanging leg raises, decline sit-ups with a band, as well as dips. We're going to attempt to do 5 rounds in under 30 minutes. Guys, I have to do 5 rounds. On my 1-minute rest, you guys can do your pull-ups, okay? Come on. You got this. Yep. More control on the way down. You want to do some? What's wrong with you? Give me a moody face. What the heck's going on here? These are all unorganized. But if they roll on your feet or something, you're done. These ones, you want these ones. We are too blessed to be stressed. Aubriana, the Del Montes are too blessed to be stressed. Yeah, just do some strides on the road. I'm gonna just do telephone poles. 1 run back, walk 1 run back to get some turnover in my legs. It's probably not good that the cameraman could keep up to me. I think one of the big themes of my life and everyone's life is to escape comfort. Comfort just leads to mediocrity. Mediocrity means being stuck in the middle of 2 rocks. In order to pursue excellence and to get to higher levels of standard in your life, it requires sacrifice. Fall is here. One of the reasons we love Tennessee too is because you get the 4 seasons. Plus the winters are like, from what I hear, just like powder. Fall always reminds me of my cross-country days, which I believe were my most formative days that made me who I am. It's amazing that something you do back in your teens and early 20s can be influencing and still impacting your life 20 years later. All right, oh, the little man's up.
Seriously. Matt?
Go back to sleep.
Hey, what are you filming? Don't worry about me, you worry about your own body. Where's this go?
After 5 years, Vince still doesn't know where things go.
No, there's always something new here. Like, this is new. I don't...
Oh my goodness, it's been there for like a year.
Well, Flav, yeah. What am I doing wrong now?
You're not passing the baton very well right now.
Shut up. Just give you guys a little insight. So Reed's crushing it in the 7-figure mastermind. He was inquiring about our elite 8-figure earner program, but he wants a couple months, so we're filling up spots in advance. So last time Guy came on board, you guys saw that. We had another individual just join. He's a doctor. One of our top females is joining in January, so we're filling up all these spots ahead of schedule. A little neat tip, we teach this to our students actually, and we teach them how to advertise their program with legitimate scarcity and saying, hey, we only onboard 25 members a month. We only onboard 10 members a month. So we always say success loves speed and delays kill dreams. So we use legitimate, not false scarcity to motivate people to take action to go after their dreams. So pretty cool stuff. All right, it is Friday. Daddy has to work, sweetheart. Fridays always have a great buzz because it's the weekend. I take weekends off. Always usually do something fun with the kids on Friday night. They were kicking the day off with a sales call for a prospect for our elite 8-figure earner coaching program. All right, dear Heavenly Father, I pray that you would just guide this conversation. I pray that your will would be done. I pray that you would give Corby and I wisdom on this call, and that we would really understand this individual's needs, and if we can support him.
I love coaching, and what I'm realizing all the time is that the biggest issue is not being able to get clients. It always bothered me that I have so much insight and so much information on the fitness space, yet I feel like I couldn't really utilize it, right? And then that's when I met you, and that's when we had a call, and I told you my pain points and all the things, and you said you can help me create something together. In any shape or form, I can use my knowledge to make your asset, your company better. I'm open.
What we're looking for are savvy influencers who haven't tapped into the high ticket marketplace and help them start to offer high ticket services.
If it was easy, Blaze, everybody would do it, right? You're gonna face confrontations and challenges throughout the entire time. That's the point of us working together, because if something's not working, we're gonna get that feedback. What we're gonna be diving into today is gonna help anybody go from 0 to 10K per month. It's gonna help you go from 10 to 50K per month, and even 50 to 100K per month. What we've got here is an acronym for accelerator, all right? If you wanna accelerate your income, this is essentially how we help you do it. The very first thing we have to do is build your authority. And today's training is dedicated to that. The next part is content, all right? There's loads of different things we can talk about on what type of content to create. And then we have conversions, and then we have engagement. This is the process of getting your clients engaged with your program so they produce transformations. And then we have LTV. And LTV is the lifelong value of a customer. This is how much a person spends with you on average. I love when Vinny gets aggressive. I'm not being aggressive. I'm being enthusiastic, all right? I'm very passionate. Who are you fantasizing over now? Like, that was like, how many kids do we have?
Bring him back. Bring him back.
Jeez, I gotta always constant pressure. Constant pressure, gotta look good. Constant pressure to, geez, Louise.
Yeah, tell me about it.
So what happened on the call with Barbara and the immigration lawyer? Holy cow, what the heck's going on? There's so much going on right now.
So now they're going to full draw. We got to fly there in a few weeks, pick out all the finishes, any revisions that we want to do, which I'm sure there will be. We do there, and then we kind of are.
How are we gonna fly to
breaking
Tennessee? Are we gonna take a helicopter over, then drive down, or are we just gonna fly down where the
I don't know.
stupid breathe
Thankfully,
on this
it's only a 2-hour flight. The thought of it gives me anxiety. Like,
to be honest, you know, Money Magazine just ranked where we're going as the #3 spot to live in all of the U.S.
everything, just like our house, is a mess. It's just like one thing at a time.
Guess what? You find your message in your mess. That's a good IG story. Hey guys, it's Vince here. Today we're gonna talk about how your message is found in your mess. You don't like social media, you never.
Oh man.
So as you can see, we are 1000% exiting Canada. This isn't a, well, we'll see what happens. We're still thinking about it. There's a number, no, we decided when we went this past summer and we saw a place that we could build a future, and I'm excited.
I am too. Nothing's concrete. If we go there and we don't like it,
Exactly.
I mean, we can always move.
Come back.
Like, it's not, we're not going on a boat across the ocean, leaving our citizenship behind. Like, it's not World War III, right?
It might be actually. I've always said, do not let the government control your reality. And that's what we're doing. We're creating our own reality. And I hope you enjoyed this episode. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification so you're first in line when we drop new episodes on our road to 275. And we're just, like I said to Amelia this morning, too blessed to be stressed. Just trying to tell myself that every single day. We're too blessed to be stressed despite all the craziness in the world. So I hope this video inspires your own journey.
to your best life, whatever that looks like for you. And we'll see you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.